From series to big screen tayo, guys! Thank you so much for your love and support. This is because of all of you guys. So, please remember, mark your calendars. Minamahal, now showing this September 24. We'll see you in cinemas.
Yes! Actually, nag-start na yung ticket selling today.
Yes!
Sino yung mga nakapurchase na ng tickets? Oh! You may purchase the tickets online, SM, Ayala, and Robinson Cinema.
Yes, and teka lang, sorry I just have one last message. Quick lang.
Ano yun? Ayan na!
Firstly, I would like to thank each and every one of you that is here today. You guys you touch our hearts really. Everyone here, the Viva family, we are so grateful for each and every one of you. We know that you guys, some of you traveled a long distance to get here today. We know, and we really appreciate that. And for all the fan projects that you guys do for us, thank you so much. Your unwavering support is really, truly cherished to us. And secondly, to our Viva family, Boss Vic and the Del Rosario family, Boss Vincent, Boss Val, Boss Veronique, and Tito June, maraming salamat. Because if it wasn't for you guys, we would not be here on the stage today. Right, Ash?
Tama. At saka sobrang na-appreciate namin na kahit sino yung tumututong dito sa stage, ay nag-cheer talaga kayo. Kaya maraming salamat po.
And lastly, Mordiga. Really proud of you. Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you, And starting my journey, I wouldn't have wished done with anyone else. You are not only a blessing to my life, but a blessing to everyone who is here today. So with that being said, thank you. Nagulat ka ba?
Oh, na-speechless ako. Wala akong masabi. Pero proud na proud din ako sa'yo. And sobrang